Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The flexible drain hose connects the drain elbow at the back of the washer to the house's standpipe. The main reason for the drain hose to be replaced is if it cracks, causing a water leak. Alright, next thing after we took out the drain hose from the standpipe, we're going to have a pair of pliers. Squeeze and remove that hose clamp so we can take off the drain hose. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we got here a new drain hose. I'm going to squeeze this clamp, slide the hose on, and release the clamp. Alright, so we're going to install this end into this standpipe, and you can use this zip tie that provided with the drain hose to attach it to the faucet or to any object that will allow the hose to stay in without any risk to fall out. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.